I got involved in Pilates because I had a hip issue, and I was a PT, and the doctor that I was working for asked me to go find a Pilates instructor, to hire one, which I was like, absolutely no problem. I just have no idea what Pilates is. So I had to do a little bit of research. So I went to start taking Pilates, and so I could figure out what it was, and I realized it was helping my hip. Our glute muscles, like our glute medius, which allows us to stand up straight and stand on one leg and not just fall out, those are important muscles. They're supporting and rotators of the hip joint, okay? Now, if I don't have that, if every single time I walked because this was really weak, Brett calls this getting fresh, I'm gonna do this, right? Because I don't have a lot of strength here. Now, what happens to my knees when I do this? Besides the fact that they lock, I tend to put a lot of pressure on the front, actually, of my knee and on the lateral aspect of my knee. So your hip rotators are really important.